Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make an executive desk with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a set of 1x1 plates. We're going to stack these on top of one another. Now, I want to make two of these. I'm going to place these on the bottom of a 1x4 brick with arch. As shown, we're going to flatten all that down and make it straight. Then we're going to slide in a set of 2x2 modified plates with two studs, as shown. Now we're going to slide this off the side. I'm going to take a 1x1 by 1 2/3 brick with two studs. I'm going to place a 2x2 plate right on the face and a set of 1x2 jumper plates. These are going to be drawer fronts. Place those on there. And a set of gold studs. Now we got to be careful because pearl gold is considered a brittle color. We got lucky there. Now we're going to take this, we're going to set this on the left hand side. And we're going to slide this back off. Take another one of these 1x1 bricks with the two studs and a 2x2 plate, set that right there. This time this is on the right hand side, and a set of 1x2 jumper plates and some gold studs for handles. Place those right there. We'll set this right in this area, and we're going to lock that together with a 2x6 flat tile for the top of our executive desk. Now for an office chair, we're going to take a 2x2 dish. I'm going to place a stud on top of the dish, and I'm going to stick the stud on the bottom tube of a 2x2x2 seat. So I decided to use dark blue for this one.